Uh, in this budget 2025, we have one more provision which is proposed, and that is track and trace mechanism. In order to track certain sin goods, or those goods which we can say in which input tax credit or bogus billing is highly involved, in order to track those goods, government is planning to introduce track and trace mechanism. According to that, every such notified goods, which will be notified subsequently by the government, on all those goods, a unique identification marking is to be placed. That unique identification marking may be in the form of some sign or mark which will be non-removable, and the persons who are required to keep those goods may be asked to prepare some records about those goods, and they are required to furnish the information about those goods online in the form and manner which may be prescribed. It is also proposed that manufacturers of those goods has to report or give the marking about the machinery used to manufacture those goods and the capacity utilization, etc., so that clandestine removal of such goods can be tracked. It is also proposed that those persons who are required to keep records and keep unique identification marking on the goods and are required to furnish any information about those goods are unable to comply with the provisions, then in that case they may be liable to pay penalty which may increase up to rupees 1 lakh rupees or 10% of the tax amount, whichever is higher. And this penalty is in addition to any other penalty being imposed under this law. Therefore, friends, you have to take care that कब गवर्नमेंट ये नोटिफाई करने वाली है कुछ ऐसे गुड्स के बारे में जिनके रेस्पेक्ट में एसएससीज को यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन मार्किंग के सिस्टम्स फॉलो करने रहेंगे। ट्रैक एंड ट्रेस मैकेनिज्म जो गवर्नमेंट लेके आने वाली है उसे फॉलो करना रहेगा, उसके रेस्पेक्ट में मार्किंग करनी रहेगी, रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन करने रहेंगे, और जिस फॉर्मेट में इंफॉर्मेशन गवर्नमेंट चाहती है उस फॉर्मेट में इंफॉर्मेशन गवर्नमेंट पोर्टल पे फर्निश भी करनी रहेगी और रिकॉर्ड्स भी मेंटेन करने रहेंगे. सो दिस न्यू सिस्टम इज गोइंग टू बी implemented very soon in India. Although this system is prevailing in some other parts of the world, but for India it will be the new system. Thank